We're building a Walmart. Look at this brand new pad. I'm gonna go, Dad, for the camera.
We're gonna smoke this baby and make some money.
Removing dirt. I am no operator. I will tell you that right now. I am no operator, but I can move it. Outside screen wall, loading dock wall, other loading dock wall. Today we're doing templates. Center of our templates to put in for the steel columns.
Estamos al pendiente.
Yeah. ¿Vas a ayudarnos? Habla con mi patrón aquí. Setting these things. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the process here. I hold the dummy end of the tape. I take it over to my next point because we're at B. B is over there. And B is right here. So from my third point, second point to third, which we're going to do right now, 46.6. 46.6.
Ya te lo tienes que saber de memoria, güey.
No. So, this is B line. I have two here at C line. We can pull from C line here to get here to these ones. These are our last ones on grid line 12. So I'm gonna add my 14 plus my 45.6. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll do the 14 plus the 45.6 to get to this one, and then from there, then I'm back on track. 46.6, 39.10, 55.2. I think we're now at grid line 11. Getting to the end of the grid lines here. We're putting in the last of our overheads that we can get our templates in. They got the moment frame getting dug over there. Loading docks getting dug. Juan's walking around.
Oh yeah. Here.
Where are we headed, Dad?
Walmart Health.
Walmart Eastvale. What are we pouring today?
Spread footings.
Spread footings. What was the process again? Is it clutch, accelerator?
Yeah. Oh, this is stick shift?
Yeah. Ah, I stalled it out. Almost had it. I don't know. Clutch. Hey, is anybody behind me? Anybody behind me or no? I got it. Son of a gun. Good right there? There.
Hey, now this way is gonna be in the way.
I don't care, dude.
It's going.
All right. So, I guess you go clutch, shift, clutch up, accelerator down, and hopefully you don't kill anybody behind you. So, we didn't get quite to all of them, but we got to like grid line. It was like seven or eight.